Gstep 2023 is going to be exciting. Today, we'll be running various activities in team building and in STEM.
We also want you to take this opportunity to learn about everything that will be required of you, your team members, your teachers for the next 6 to 8 months.
You need to work together to share in that vision.
We are so excited to be here.